we are coming out as young people to rescue future evana vedu. So chii chatakuita from here. What is the way forward? For the next 10 days, we are going to start a conversation, start dialogue amongst us as the citizens. We have been waiting for too long to see if our politicians were genuine. ED says, recognize me as a legitimate president. Nero says, you are illegitimate. This one says, come to Poland. And that one says, I want a bilateral. Why? Because ED says, I got 2.4 million votes. And you got 2.1. And he says, no, I got 2.6. I defeated you. If we look at their numbers, both of them, whether 2.6 or 2.1, 2.4 or whatever, what percentage is that of the total population of Zimbabwe? So you think you can hold us at ransom because of 2 million votes? Both of you. Kutotuona unge tiri vanhu venyu, kutotita zvireshe zvenyu. Zvekuti muri kuti no nyika ino inofana kutostika. Kusvika imimi mumwe nemumwe amita maconditions emumwe. No, it's not going to happen. There is nothing special about you guys. Nothing at all. When we brought in ED, we never thought we would find ourselves in this situation. We thought we would be better than we were in 2017. But it's even worse. So what guarantee do we have that even if one of you becomes a leader, you are going to extract us from this mess? What guarantee do we have? You want to take advantage of our situation. Others are already planning for 2023 elections. Others are still mourning about the stolen 2018 election. So the preoccupation of the leadership in the two major political parties is power. Acquisition of power or protection of it. So what does that mean to the ordinary person? We must start a dialogue amongst ourselves as citizens. If politicians are going to come and be part of this dialogue, they are going to come in as ordinary people. If they are serious that they want to take this country forward, we are just giving them the next 10 days to either shape up or ship out, and will no longer be looking up to them. What that then means is we are going to do things on our own as citizens, because we are the ones who are being affected. Nero and ED are not being affected. In one of the political bureaus, ED said, let's start preparing for 2023. He wants to be elected in 2023 when he has not yet delivered on anything. Even if you go through his letter that he wrote when he was in exile, he has not done anything in that letter. I don't think he still wants to read it himself. And what does those in the opposition do? All they are calling for are political reforms that will enable them to win 2023 elections. So these people are concentrating on wanting to get power and protect it. No one cares about the situation in our hospitals, the situation in our roads, the situation in our schools, the situation everywhere in our economy. So what I'm saying in short is, it is high time that citizens realize that we are on our own and we have to liberate ourselves out of this mess.